Hey, what's up, students? We got the Z Flea Stanger right here. Find the range of the third side of the given triangle. Technically, we're finding the range of the x values of the third side, but hey, that's just splitting hairs here. So this is part of a thing called the third side rule of a triangle. If you know the sides, if you know two sides of a triangle, the third side's got to be between the sum and the difference. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you A, I'm going to give you B, but I'm going to give you C as an expression with algebra, and then you got to set this up. So the third side C is going to be less than the sum, but it's going to be bigger than the difference. We'll explain more of that in geometry. All right, here we go. So the easy part is going to be to drop in the 2x plus 22. So we're going to make the inequality here. Set up the compound inequality that you would use to solve for x. Okay, so you would drop the 2x plus 22 in the middle, do it with no spaces. And then over here you would do the sum of 124 and 86. 124 and 86 put together is 210. Again, what is that? That's the sum. Okay. Put 86 and 124. Oops, that's not 24. 24 together on this side. And over here you would do the subtraction. And some students ask, which one do I subtract? You probably want to take the bigger one minus the smaller one to get a number that makes sense. And that number, when it's subtracted, is 38. All right, so this is the compound inequality that I am going to need to solve. I don't have a lot of room to do it, but here's what I would do, students. I'm going to go and slice all this up. My first move, it would be to subtract the 22 from both sides. Both sides. All sides, the inside and the outside. So let's subtract 22 from all of the sides. When we do that, we're going to have, I'll do a rewrite, right here. We're going to have a 2x less than, I have it pre-calculated right here, a 188, but it's also going to be greater than a 12. No, not 12, 16. Silly goose. All right. Next move, we're going to divide all sides by 2. All right, if you're doing this on a piece of paper, you're probably going to have more room than I will. So the 2's gone, 22's gone. What's left over? 188 divided by 2 is, I have it pre-calculated. Where did it go? I had it saved. It's 94. 94 is going to go right there. 16 divided by 2, I think the last time I checked, is 8. Okay, so the range of the x value is not really the range of the side. The range of the x value is between 94 and 8. All right, well, that's just about it, friends. We have really nothing else to do there. So, yeah, that's it. Make sure you're very, very careful, again, on finding the sum and the difference. You basically just drop the expression right there in the middle. On this side, you take the two numbers I gave you and you add them. Over here, you subtract them, and then you're going to one-step, two-step your way all the way to find your answer. All right, that is the Z Flea Stanger.